Now, you might be thinking, why should you worry about misinformation or fake news as it's called? Isn't that a journalist's job? Well, it's not just on us. Because when fake news spreads, it's every single person who ends up paying the price. The Nazis, in fact, weaponized information during World War II. During the Gulf War, a young girl testified in front of the US Congress that Iraqi soldiers had taken babies out of incubators in Kuwaiti hospitals and that they left them to die. It was a powerful emotional story and it helped build support for the war. But later, it turned out that the whole thing was made up. The US justified the 2003 invasion of Iraq by claiming that Saddam Hussein had weapons of mass destruction. I'm sure you all remember this. They also claimed that he had links to the Al-Qaeda. All these claims were later proven to be false. All these narratives were widely amplified by the media, shaping public fear and, of course, support for wars. In today's conflicts, we see the exact same tactics: shocking videos, unverified claims, and images stripped of context. During Israel's war on Palestine too, we saw this playing out again and again and again. An influencer claimed grieving Palestinians were crisis actors, faking pain. But fact-checkers traced the video, and the man had indeed lost 3 children. Disinformation can also come from official sources and then get amplified by major outlets. The danger is that people can completely lose trust, and that's when disinformation wins. This is why media literacy and fact-checking are more important now than ever, especially for young people. In Finland, schools are leading the way, teaching students to question, verify, and analyze before they share anything. Kerala also tried this at one point. Let's be clear, misinformation is a strategy. It's a weapon. And in the fog of war, it can kill clarity, compassion, and even truth itself. So the next time a shocking video appears in your feed, pause. Ask where it came from, who benefits from you believing in it, and what facts can you find to back it up. Because truth needs allies, and each one of you has a role to play. Watch the full episode of Let Me Explain on the News Minutes YouTube channel.